go ahead and take a look at our learning objectives. I can read text. Read text. To note details. Of text and graphic features. In my T chart. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the text and graphic features of stories. And if you guys take a look at our chart right over here, we have text and graphic features. So here are some of the ones that are listed that you guys have talked about. So we have photos, illustrations, maps, graphs, and those are going to be the special features. So those are all the illustrations that you guys see. And then we have other features that are going to be more text features, like highlighted text, different colors and sizes of text, captions, and labels. And you guys have gone over that. So then go ahead and take a seat. And get out your reading book. Yes, your reading book. And turn to page 190. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up when you guys are on it.
Are you on 650?
Remember to give me a thumbs up when you guys are on the page.
237
Is everyone on the page?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So then the story that we're going to be reading, today is The World of Insects. And as you guys can see, we talked about insects this morning, and we talked about bugs, and you guys said had some different features. What were some of the things that we guys said when we knew about bugs? Maybe?
Some things that I like butterflies.
Yeah, some of them can fly. So we have a butterfly here, we have a dragonfly here.
Some can fly.
That's true. Some of them crawl. We have ladybugs that are crawling. Okay. And one more. Some of them bite. That's true. Like this little ant right here. Okay. So we're going to be focusing on the text features. And we're going to be making a T-chart on our whiteboard. So go ahead and get out your whiteboard and your marker and your eraser.
Sit down and get out your materials like Miss Flores is. Thank you.
Go ahead and draw a T-chart on your whiteboard. Draw a line right down the middle. on one column, we're gonna be looking at text features. So I'm gonna write text on that one. And then on the other one, we're gonna be looking at graphic features. Okay, so make sure that on one side of your T-chart, it says text at the top and the other one says graphic. So that's what we're gonna be focusing on, just like our objective says, text and graphic features, using our T-chart. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up when you guys have written that.
Use your phonics string. Use your phonics string. Yes, that's what's back there. It's gonna be back there.
And use your chart. Good job, guys. Okay, so it looks like everyone's got their T-chart set up, and it looks great. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on reading the story. We're gonna be reading it together, okay? So you guys are just gonna be echoing after me while I'm reading, all right?
Caps and markers, please.
And make sure you're not drawing on your whiteboard markers, you're just supposed to be drawing on your whiteboard. Right now, we're just reading the story. So kinds of insects. So there are all kinds of insects. Come on, you guys should be reading too. So when I say, then you guys read, okay? So there are all kinds of insects.
There are all kinds of insects.
And make sure you're following along. The ladybug, housefly, and ant are all insects.
The ladybug, housefly, and ant are all insects.
Some insects can fly, many insects cannot.
Some insects can fly, some insects cannot.
Some live in water, but most live on the land.
Some live in water, but most live on land.
Some kinds of insects live and work together like bees or ants.
Some kinds of insects live and work together like bees or ants.
But most insects do not.
But most insects do not.
And then on this page, I see some graphic features. I'm gonna go ahead and write those down on my T-chart. And on that, for my graphic features on the page, I see some pictures of the different bugs that we were talking about. So we're talking about how some insects can fly and some of them can't, and here it has pictures of different insects that can fly and some of them that can't, like ants. And then I also see a text, a feature on the page. And that one, you can see right here at the top of the paragraph that we're reading, it has a heading and it's in red. So it's bigger than the other words and it's a different color so it stands out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one down too. And then those are called headings, so I'm gonna write heading. So we have to make sure that we're paying attention to those different features in the book, and then we're gonna go ahead and talk about them. So when you're done writing, go ahead and turn to the next page. And don't forget to put the cap on your marker, guys. be on page 192 now. And we're gonna get ready to start reading that one too. So on that one, what do we notice at the very top? What do we notice at the very top of that page?
A beetle.
So there are some pictures. And then what's at the very top? What did we just talk about on the other page?
The body
The heading. That's good. So these both have headings as well. And we can tell because they're in different colors. So let's go ahead and start reading. The body of an insect.
The body of an insect.
All insects have 6 legs.
All insects have 6 legs.
All insects have 3 body parts.
All insects have 3 body parts.
Insect bodies have no bones.
Insect bodies have no bones.
The outside of an insect's body is hard.
The outside of an insect's body is hard.
The hard outside protects its inside.
The hard outside protects its insides.
Many insects have antennas.
Many insects have antennas.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and look back at the page, and I want you guys to raise your hand if you see any text features. Remember that text features have to do with the words on the page.
The red part is the same as the front.
Okay, so we have another heading, right? Does everyone agree with Chloe that we have another heading on this page?
Yes.
Okay. Does anyone else see any other text features? Jalen?
They labeled the parts about the 3 stuff on the body.
Yeah, so right here we can see labels on the beetle itself. And right here, we're gonna go ahead and read through the labels. The first one is antenna.
Antenna.
And it's pointing to the little parts right on his head. The next one says head.
Head.
The one below that is thorax.
Thorax.
And then we have his abdomen.
Abdomen.
And then those are the different parts. So we're gonna go ahead and add that to our text features because we don't have it up there. And we're gonna, for that one, we're just gonna write label. Okay, and our objective does say text and graphic features. So what are some of the graphic features that we see on the page? Adeline? The fly? Where do you see the fly? On this page, sweetie. Yeah, we do see a bug on a flower. Does anyone see any other graphic features, Manny? The beetle itself. So we talked about how this was a text feature, the labels, and then the graphic feature is the beetle itself, the picture. So let's go ahead and add that to our graphic side of our T-chart. Beetle.
And call it an enlarged picture too.
Enlarged
Yeah.
picture. So we'll go ahead and write enlarged picture. And an enlarged picture means that it's a picture that's made big so that we can see the details on the beetle. Because beetles are small. So if they had a small picture of a beetle, we wouldn't be able to see his antennas very well or the rest of its body. But because they made it bigger, we can see everything. And when you're done writing, put your markers